Right now, you are wearing clothes. Maybe a t-shirt, maybe pants, maybe socks. But have you ever asked, why? No other animal on Earth wears clothes. Not the lion, not the monkey, not even our closest cousin, the chimpanzee. So why do we wear clothes? The answer is stranger than you think, and it starts almost 200,000 years ago. Long, long ago, early humans had no clothes, and that makes sense because they had fur, just like every other mammal. Thick hair covered their whole body. It kept them warm. It kept them safe from the sun. They did not need clothes because their own skin did the job. But then something strange happened. Somewhere between 1 and 2 million years ago, humans slowly started losing their body hair. Scientists still argue about why, but the most popular idea is this. Early humans became hunters. They chased animals for hours, sometimes all day, under the hot African sun. Running for hours in thick fur is dangerous. You overheat. You can even die from the heat. So bodies with less hair had an advantage. They could sweat easily and cool down fast. Over thousands of years, less hairy humans survived better and passed on their genes. Slowly, humans became the naked ape. Losing hair was great for hot African days. But there was a big problem. Humans did not stay in Africa forever. Around 100,000 years ago, groups of humans began walking out of Africa. They moved into colder lands, places with snow, places with freezing wind. And there they were, almost naked, with skin built for heat, not cold. Without fur, without clothes, humans could not survive in these cold places for long, so humans needed a new kind of fur, one they could put on and take off. That new fur was clothing. Now here is the interesting part. How do scientists even know when clothes started? There were no clothes left behind from 100,000 years ago. Cloth rots away and does not survive that long. So scientists used a clever trick. They studied lice. Yes, lice, the small bugs that live in hair. There are two kinds of human lice. Head lice, which live in our hair, and body lice, which live in clothing. Body lice cannot survive without clothes. They need cloth to live in. So scientists studied the DNA of body lice and compared it to head lice. They found that body lice split off and became a new species around 170,000 years ago. That means clothes must have existed by then too, because body lice needed clothes to survive. So this tiny bug basically told scientists humans started wearing clothes around 170,000 years ago. At first, clothes were simple. Animal skins tied around the body, maybe a piece of fur wrapped around the shoulders. But clothes did not just keep humans warm. They changed everything. With clothes, humans could walk into freezing lands and survive. They could hunt in snow. They could sleep through cold nights. This is a big reason why humans could spread across the entire planet from hot deserts to freezing mountains, while other animals stayed in one type of place. Later, clothes became more than protection. They became identity. A chief might wear a special fur. A hunter might wear the teeth of an animal he killed. Clothes started to show status, skill, and tribe. The simple idea of covering the body slowly turned into something humans still care about today: fashion. So here is the twist. Humans did not invent clothes because they were smart. They invented clothes because they were weak. We lost our fur to survive the heat. Then we needed clothes to survive the cold. One problem created the next. Every animal around us solved this with their own body. Thick fur, feathers, scales. Humans solved it with their brain. We could not grow fur again. So we thought of another way. We took fur from other animals and wore it ourselves. That single idea, wearing something we did not grow, may be one of the reasons humans became the most powerful species on Earth. So next time you put on a jacket, remember this. You are not just staying warm. You are using an idea that started 170,000 years ago, an idea that helped your ancestors survive ice, snow, and freezing nights when their own bodies could not. Clothes are not just cloth. They are one of humanity's oldest survival tools. If you like learning this, hit subscribe. There are many more strange why questions like this coming.